Here I'm going to show you how to change over the trimmer wire for the bumper head. We can do it without actually having to take off the full bumper, but just the outside case. I'll show you how to do that. So yeah, as you can see here, this is the wire that I use. 3mm. It's square, so it gives it a nicer cut. To be honest, I can cut through things that are quite thick with this, and it very, very rarely snaps as well. So yeah, you probably want to remove a bit more dust than I am, but yeah, it's quite a dusty day, this one. So here what I'm doing is finding the sort of end point of both ends and then pulling it along so we can find the center of the string, because the center is what will loop in here to the cassette, and then they'll in parallel run around the cassette. So you want to kind of, when it gets to the end, it's at the end of both ends of the trimmer line. So you need to kind of hold it fairly tight so that they don't unravel, and then yeah, wind it through. So you need to keep tension on it, put the cassette on, and then kind of separate it so that one wire is on one side, one wire is on the other side, and then you should be able to just slot the two openings in this cassette, slot the wire into each side, and then slot it down so you haven't had to take off the whole bumper in order to be able to get it on. That's it, just like that, it should clip in. So pull them nice and tight, and then cut the end so that there's not any excess that will break your guard.